If I was to ask you, what is an LSAR in 60 seconds? Go.
No pressure then. So think about when you're buying your next car.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got an idea in your head, a concept. You have requirements, so cost, you've got a budget. The size of the engine perhaps, the insurance group, the amount of seats. You might have a big family, you might only need 4 seats, you might need a 7-seater, you might need a big boot, or that might not be relevant. How often does a car need to be serviced? How much does a service cost? You just keep thinking about those questions that you're going to ask yourself. Once you've got an idea of what you want, you'll then go to do a tour of the garages, or you might use an online tool such as Auto Trader. You'll choose then a few different models and compare them, and then you'll pick the one that best suits your needs. What you're actually doing is performing LSA. And whether you write those answers down, whether the answers are in your head, whether you put them into a little spreadsheet, that is an LSAR.
That was a clip from the Briefing Room podcast. If you want to watch and listen to the full podcast episode, it's right there in a little box. I'll just wait you a couple of seconds. Anytime. Come on, don't be scared. Don't be shy.